Hey everyone, welcome back to Divine Creators. My name is Shahrukh Khan and I'm UI UX designer. And I welcome all of you to Divine Creators. And if you are new to the channel, please, I request you to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon as well so you can get the notification for daily updates. So here in this video, I'm going to share some free illustrations website with you that can help you as a UI designer, and you can use free illustrations in your website or in your mobile applications or and desktop application that can improve your UI design skills as well. So somewhere here you will be able to see my screenshot where I'm sharing those free illustrations website. These websites are providing free illustrations as well and paid illustrations as well. So you can see that the first website is freepic.com, and personally I use this a lot, and I'm getting a lot of best results from the freepic.com. And the second one is wubro.design, where you can use these illustrations for Figma as well, and for Sketch, for Adobe Illustrator, and for Adobe XD as well. So the next one is undraw.co/illustrations. So that is called Undraw. And the fourth one is drawkit.com. And the next one is sketchvalley.com. And the next one is icons8.com. And then charco.design as well. You can use that as well. And the last one is design design design. So I will share all the links below in the description, and you can find that from there. And I hope you would like the video. And thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.